In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flowcharts in Confluence with Draw.io. Let's get started inside Confluence. Open the page where you want the diagram to live and switch it into editor mode so you can make changes. This ensures the diagram gets embedded right where your team expects to see it and that you'll be able to save everything to the page. With the editor open, type a / and start typing draw. You'll see the draw.io option appear as a macro in the list of / commands. This is the quickest way to insert a diagram without hunting through menus, and it keeps your hands on the keyboard. If you don't see it, you may need the draw.io integration enabled in your space, so check with your site admin. Click the option that says it inserts a new draw.io diagram. Confluence will load the draw.io interface and prompt you to choose how you want to start. You'll get a clean, focused window so you can build your flowchart without distractions. On the template screen, select the flowcharts category. This view gathers pre-built flowchart layouts, saving you setup time and helping you follow standard shapes and conventions. Templates are especially helpful if you're aligning to a common process style across your team. Pick a flowchart template that matches the type of process you want to show: simple linear steps, decisions, or parallel paths. Hovering over options helps you see the structure before committing. You can always change shapes later, so don't worry about picking the perfect one on the first try. Click Create to load the template into the editor. This gives you a working canvas with shapes, connectors, and text areas ready to customize, and it keeps everything linked to your Confluence page. Now edit the flowchart to fit your requirements. Double-click shapes to rename steps and add clear, concise labels. Drag connectors to reroute lines and use elbow or curved connectors if they reduce crossings. For decisions, use diamonds with short yes/no labels. For start and end points, use ovals. Keep the layout flowing top to bottom or left to right for readability, and use the aligner line and distribute tools to tidy spacing. If needed, you can add shapes from the left panel, copy and paste repetitive steps, and adjust colors or fonts to match your team's style guide. Consider renaming the diagram at the top so it's easy to find later. When you're happy with the result, click Publish in Confluence. Your flowchart is now embedded on the page, and teammates can view it immediately. If you need to refine it later, just open the page, edit, and update the diagram in place.